everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share some advent calendars with you. I have my mystery advent calendar from my family. I have one of those to share, number 5. And then also I have the advent calendar, 12-day advent calendar from the lovely Kim Kelly. So I have days 7, 8 and 9 to share with you. So first of all, I'm going to share the mystery one that I still don't know. I think all of them, actually, to be honest. All my family have kind of pitched in and are laying these little surprises around the house. Yeah, I have no idea if it's one of them or all of them. And I can't even tell because obviously the handwriting, they've not written on the tag. So normally if they'd written like a message straight away, I would be able to tell by the handwriting. But I can't because it's just a number on. They're not written any messages. So yeah. So in number 5, it has been exciting actually opening. I'm very lucky as well, opening something different every day. Oh wow, how gorgeous is that border die? So just take it out. So you've got this beautiful border die. That is gorgeous. I couldn't tell you what make, or it doesn't have anything on it. No. But this is absolutely beautiful border die. It's got such detail to it. Yeah, really pretty, and it's a really good size actually. I'll just quickly grab a ruler. It is, let's do it in inches. It is 9 inches long, and then about 1.5 inches wide. So really pretty, great for albums or yeah, layout. I don't really make layouts, but I'm thinking albums. Maybe like if I alter a box or something, that'd be quite nice. Could use that on that, or you can always cut it down to size. But yeah, really pretty. So that was in number 5 from my mystery advent calendar, is what we're calling it. So now on to the lovely swap with Kim. Like I said, I will leave Kim's Instagram in the description down below, so go and check out hers, and you can also see on her Instagram what I've sent to her. So this is number 7. Oh, so in here, oh, this has got stuck. You've got these beautiful Christmas frames. So these are really like Polaroid frames, really pretty. Really open those. Oh, they're pretty. They come in, I think it's 2 of each design. Yeah, really pretty Christmassy designs. And then here is, oh, fabric, adhesive fabrics, and some templates as well. I guess you can make different things with them. So you've got like a bird and owl template that you can make. Yeah, they kind of feel like a little bit of a felt. Really pretty. Oh, I wonder what I could, yeah. I have to come up with some ideas to use these on different projects. Thank you so much for sending those, Kim. And then in this little like gingerbread house, really cute box, I think it's, yeah, some stickers. So it's all different. Merry Christmas. Apparently it's 120 stickers in there. So really pretty. These would be great for like sticking on envelopes. So you've got Merry Christmas, candy cane, gingerbread, penguin, Santa approved. Oh, they're really sweet. They'd be great for next year to put on like Christmas cards and things. So that was in number 7. So now I've got number 8. Oh, I think this is Hunky Dory. Yeah, so Hunky Dory cut aparts, I think these are. Yeah, to make like a scene of a card. That's really pretty. That's that one. And then in here we've got some more beautiful like vintage papers. She did send me in previous when I opened the previous days, there's some gorgeous papers as well. So these are single-sided. I do love these. These are like really vintagey looking papers. I wonder if these are Hunky Dory. You have to let me know, Kim, if these are Hunky Dory brand. I've never actually bought anything from Hunky Dory myself. I've only got a couple of bits of Hunky Dory bits, what people have sent to me, but I've never actually bought anything off there or of that brand like myself. Yeah, they're really thick cardstock, which is amazing. So they're all like vintage, and then these ones all cookies. It's like baking themed. These are pretty as well. More like cookies. Really pretty colours. Oh, I like these as well. Yeah, you have to let me know what brand this is. Really pretty papers. So that was number 8, and then the last one today is number 9. Again, love the papers and that she's used. Oh wow, these are beautiful buttons. Oh, it's got handmade. I was just trying to work out what it said on it. I think they all say handmade with love. Yeah, they do. Oh, sometimes when I make crocheted hats, I did send one to the lovely Kim, actually. I made her one. Sometimes I didn't put a pom-pom on it because I never know. Some people like pom-poms on, some people don't. So I left it, but you can obviously attach one if you wanted to, Kim. I put a button inside of the hat. And it's a good way if you want to chuck your hat in the washing machine and things like that. You can take the pom-pom off before you wash it. So yeah, you can just put sew a button in the inside and then loop the pom-pom around that. So it's like removable then. So these are going to come in really handy for when I use that, and it'll obviously have handmade with love on it as well, which is a lovely touch to add to a project. Yeah, so thank you so much, Kim, for sending everything that you've sent. I have thoroughly enjoyed this swap. I've really enjoyed opening all the parcels. We still have one more. I think there's the last 3 to open, and I'll do those in a separate video. So look out for that. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.